have a exciting Thar modification. The customer has given this Thar with us for last 10 days and we have completely modified it to the next level of modification. So we have done various kind of modification in this Thar, starting from the exteriors to the interiors. So I'll be starting one by one. Let me start from the front side. What we have changed is the grill, 7-slot grill from Wrangler. So the Wrangler is completely a ABS plastic one with a very high quality glossy paint on top of that. So this is one of the best kind of the grill which is available in the market. And we have also changed the headlights. So the headlights we have changed to the Wrangler type headlights. You can see how beautifully it is matching with respect to the grill as well. So we have also gone with the smoky DRL in the front side. So it is going to give a complete flash look in the front side with the headlight, grill as well as the smoky DRL. So the customer didn't want to change the bumper, so we have retained the bumper of the original, but the customer wanted to change the fog lamps, so we have gone with the Genome fog lamps with a complete 1-year warranty and which can give easily a throw of 200 meters to 250 meters. So this is what is in the front side. The customer has completely gone with the guard, that is the radiator guard, the engine guard and the back guard completely. So we have given the piece of 3 sets to that as well. So the exteriors in the front side is completed. Now let me explain about what we have done on the back side. You can see the beautiful tail lamps on the back side and we have matched the reflectors with respect to that. So this is what we have done on the back side. The exciting thing is what which comes into the interior. In the interior, what we gone as usual is the theme concept. In this beautifully we have done a tan color interior which is a dual structure. As you can see here, what quality of finish which RS Car Modifiers is known for. We have also done the roofing as well as the mat matching to the seat covers as well. So you can see the seat covers, the roofing and the interior all done at one point of time. And we have also gone with the leather stitching of the steering as well. So if you come inside the interior, you get the best out of it. And the complete car we have damped as well. So we have damped the flooring and all the doors as well as the bonnet as well. So the customer want to have to change his music system, the audio system basically. So what we have gone with in this vehicle is the JL audio setup. The most and the important thing which any Thar lover now have to do is to get his paint protected. So in this what we have done is a PPF from Garware. Let me see in the next video.